Now, every single time you make a sale, every single time you get an order, whether it's on your website, whether it's outside, whether it's WhatsApp, Instagram, or in person, it's not just a simple, you know, occurrence. It's not a simple event where you just take money and say order received, confirmed, it will be dispatched. It's a process. There are a lot of things that come with receiving an order. First, you need to update your stock, right? Because you're giving out products. If you had 3 pens, you've sold one, now you have to update your stock, right? You have to record somewhere that you've sold 1 pen and now you're remaining with two. Next, if you rent a shelf or you have attendants that you need to give instructions to about an order, you need to work on that. You need to now tell them, hi, I've sold 1 pen. These are the customer's details. I've receive the cash, so do this and this. If it's a matatu, send it to the matatu, and so on and so on. So instead of going through all this process, you can now create an order on your Uzanga admin, whether it's you've sold this item on your website or somewhere else on WhatsApp or Instagram or wherever, And now the main benefit of this is it takes all that work off your shoulders. It does most of the important things for you. For example, let's look at what happens when someone buys on your website. When they buy on your website, your stock is updated automatically, right? If it's a Pikamtani order, the package is created in the system and money is sent to them automatically. You just need to drop it and pack it, right? If it's notifying your employees or your attendants at the shelf or people in your team, every single person in the team gets an SMS. These are things that you have to do manually if you're selling on WhatsApp or Instagram, right? And now imagine trying to do this 10, 50, even 100 times every single day, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, because it's business. The goal is to make as many sales as possible every single day. So instead of trying to do things manually and missing details and, forgetting about things and now giving the customer a bad experience, come to your Uzanga admin, create that order, regardless of whether you've sold the item through your website or on Instagram DMs or WhatsApp DMs or TikTok DMs. Come create the order, right? Create the order on Uzanga. Then it's going to help you with things that you need to do. And you also have a record of everything you need to do. So this is how you create an order. You come to orders. Then you click on create order. So now you look for the items that the customer has ordered. Let's say, for example, the customer ordered the nice green dress. You add it to your cart. Then they also maybe asked for some dunks. Let's say if I have dunks, they asked for dunks. If it's a green dress, they wanted two, right? And for the dunks, they wanted 3 or 4. There. So it's like you're doing the process of shopping on the website, but now from your admin, so that you can handle things automatically and be through with this order, right? So now it comes to payments. You can either generate the payment link or record that M-Pesa message or that payment message that you received if you sold the item outside the system, right? So if it's you like to prompt your customers, this is actually how you benefit the most. Oh wait, we have to put in the customer's details. So now you put in the customer's details. If you wouldn't like to ask the customer for their what's it called, their email, you can just put. Let's start with this. If you can't get the customer's email, something nice you can do is just put the customer's number. So because obviously the customer has to give you their phone number, right? So just put the customer's phone number there, then say at gmail.com. Simple, right? Then come and put the customer's number. For the customer's name, the customer is called Ata Manyonge. Then delivery phone is the same. Then for shipping, now you come to shipping. Now you choose. If it's shop pickup, maybe the customer is coming for it at your pickup point. You put it there. If it's what's it called, Pikamtani, choose the process. So for my case, I'll do shop pickup. Then just say customer will come for it on Tuesday noon, right? And the benefit of this is all this information will be displayed automatically to your shelf attendant, especially if you rent a shelf with us. This is how we would like you to communicate your orders to us. Every time you make a sale on WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, or wherever, come and key in these details here. Okay, then we will be notified. So you'll see this checkbox up here. It's asking you if you want to alert business users. So the moment this thing is paid for, or the moment you create it and record the M-Pesa code, the M-Pesa message, everyone on your team will be notified. So that includes us, your shelf attendants. Okay. So now you have two options. You can either generate the payment link, then copy it and send it to your customer to pay, or you can go ahead and open it. So the moment you share this link to your customer, this is what your customer will see. Your customer will see this page for paying for the order, and they can see the order summary over here. Okay, but if you happen to sell these items outside the system, you record those details there. Okay, so you'll say M-Pesa, then you'll say the reference code is UI something, looks like that. Then the customer paid now at the current date and time, right? And say now a simple note: customer paid in full, order can be dispatched, right? Then now go ahead and create the checkout. Create the order, sorry. So you'll see that the order has been created. And if you check my phone, let's see if I can open my email. Let me see if I can show you my email. Is it? So you can see that I've been notified. Me, I'm a member of your business. If I'm an attendant, you invited me to your business, I can get notified that I've received an order. You get? If we open the order, now we see the order's details, right? And here you can see the details you recorded. So whether they paid to your pay bill, they paid to your till, or wherever they paid, you can record everything. So basically, stop recording things in spreadsheets, stop writing orders, sales in your books. Now come and record all your sales here on your Uzanga admin. Have everything in one place. That way, your people on your employees, your staff members get notified. Your stock gets automatically reduced. You now reduce the chances of you forgetting about an order, right? So it's just a matter of because now you'll have your orders in a list. Let's see, all your orders will be in one list. You'll see that I haven't dispatched this one yet. What did this customer ask for? The customer bought the dress and the dunks, right? When it comes to shipping, they specified show pickup. So basically, just stop using spreadsheets, stop using notebooks. Come record all your sales and your orders here, so that you can work faster, you can work more efficiently, and now have the capacity to do even more sales. You can now get the energy, because this stress has been lifted off your shoulders. You can now get the energy to now, go and market, do sales, and get more orders. Let's grow together. All right, so with that, thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.